Starting a business can be intimidating, especially if you're venturing into an industry you know little about. The cable recycling industry is no exception. But with the right mindset and approach, anyone can succeed. Whether you're looking to build a profitable business or contribute to a sustainable future, these tips will guide you on your path to success. 1. Start with research. Knowledge is power. Before diving in, take the time to learn about the cable recycling industry. Research the types of cables, the recycling processes, and the environmental impact. Understanding the basics will give you confidence and help you make informed decisions from day one. 2. Identify your niche. Find what works for you. Not all cables are created equal. Some have higher value than others. Start by focusing on high-value materials like copper cables and explore ways to optimize the recycling process. Find your niche and build your expertise. 3. Build strong relationships. Networking is key. Connect with suppliers, recyclers, and customers in the industry. Building relationships with trusted partners will make your business smoother and more successful. The best businesses thrive on strong, supportive networks. 4. Invest in the right equipment. Quality pays off. To run a successful cable recycling business, investing in the right equipment is crucial. From wire stripping machines to granulators, choosing the right tools will improve efficiency and profitability. Start small, but think big. 5. Focus on sustainability. Make a positive impact. Not only is recycling good for business, but it's also good for the planet. Cable recycling reduces waste, conserves resources, and contributes to a sustainable future. Let this environmental mission be at the heart of your business, and watch it grow. 6. Take action. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Success doesn't come from waiting, it comes from doing. Start with small steps and take action today. The cable recycling business is growing, and there's no better time than now to dive in. Take the leap and turn your ideas into reality. 7. Scale gradually. Grow smart, not fast. Start small and focus on perfecting your processes. Once you understand the market and your operations, scale up gradually. It's about building a sustainable business, not rushing to the top. The journey will be worth it. 8. Stay persistent. Success takes time. The road may not always be easy, but persistence is key. There will be challenges, but don't let them stop you. Learn from mistakes, adapt, and keep moving forward. The success you're aiming for is closer than you think. While these tips are tailored to the cable recycling business, the principles of research, persistence, and strategic growth apply to any entrepreneurial venture. No matter what industry you choose, taking action, learning from challenges, and staying focused will help you achieve your goals. The journey of building a business starts with a single step. Take that step today and embrace the opportunity ahead.